The reason that our partnership with Malvern Panalytical felt like such a good match from the outset was the fact that we have shared values and shared goals.
At our heart, Malvern Panalytical is a technology company. We research and develop technology that enables our customers to characterise materials at a really small scale. So we're talking about properties of materials at the nanometer scale. And although it's at a small scale, it's making a really big impact. The work that we do enables customers to develop new drugs, ensure that the food we eat is safe, and ensure that the quality of materials is good that goes into building the world's structures.
Our mission is really to bring in all of the advances in computing, in machine learning, AI, and all of the infrastructure around that to make our instruments for scientists and researchers more robust and to ensure that they can really trust what they do.
What the partnership has enabled us to do is to use our connections and the greater understanding that the university has of our project work to help us identify and connect with students who are likely to be interested in the project work.
Our role is really to give them exposure to the entire data science process from innovation all the way to customer-facing product, and that's what we can bring them, is exposure across the entire process.
Malvern's direction and commitment is really clear. They've been engaged, they know where they want to be heading, and they clearly want to get on with things. I think their energy and their proactivity is really key to the relationship, and it feels like a strong relationship that bags more potential.
We've built up our team of data science as well as software engineering resource now. The staff that we've hired here have started to work more with the students and researchers at the university, for example, collaborating on training opportunities and giving input into how the university can make new courses more industrially relevant.
They're feeding into us in a whole host of different ways. They have interests that clearly span more than one faculty, and we're particularly interested in the interdisciplinary nature of working with partners, and so that feeds very well into our aspirations as well.
We're really excited that we've got lots of future plans around how we're going to really champion innovation, particularly with our PhD students and other early career researchers within the university. What's very exciting is the fact that as a resource we have a huge number of incredibly talented people working within the university, and all of them are really looking forward to finding out what kind of difference they could make through industrial partnerships. So it's our goal in the future to really bring together that pool of talent and actually train them effectively to be able to be the business leaders and the innovators of the future.
Science is changing at a really fast pace, and these people coming through now are different from the way we've done science in the past, and we really need to be able to communicate with them, to reach out to them and make use of their skill set. So it's been great for us to engage with a new type of scientists who will be our employees of the future or our customers of the future, and they'll be using our equipment and developing it further. It's really essential for us to be able to speak to them.